I'm a P2P merchant trader. I have a withdraw a crypto through digital rupee. Now my bank account get a lien of 10,000 rupee. People facing a issue where their bank account get freeze, lien, even if they are withdrawing a money through digital rupee or directly in their bank or through cash. Even police are arresting a people because you are dealing in P2P crypto trading USDT, because even if you are selling a USDT, the buyer is a criminal, and whatever money they are giving you in form of e-rupee or a cash or through direct bank transfer, that is a fraud money, and because of that you also get into a legal trouble. Even if you are purchasing a USDT in cash at a low rate from these cyber criminals, please be aware, if because the person with whom you are dealing, they are cyber criminals. Actually they do a fraud, and in exchange they give, like, just to convert their black money into white money, they give you the money in whatever form and take the USDT. Sometime they will approach you in another way also, that we are having a USDT and we want to sell, but we need a money in cash, and again you get into a connection or in exchange with the cyber criminals. So please be aware, don't do any sort of P2P transaction dealing with these type of fraud people, otherwise you also face the same cases. You will get a police notice, you have to visit a court and police station and face a legal issue. You're not aware, your bank account get freeze lien, how to unfreeze it, remove the hold. In case you receive any notice from a cyber police, what are the reply you have to give. In case you are having any doubt issue, just WhatsApp us, get the complete advice help, save your time and money. Please like the video, share it, subscribe our channel, be with us for any sort of legal help from anywhere at any time in India. Please don't get into any sort of fraud with cyber criminals. Please लालच में बिल्कुल ना पड़े.